Are you tired of these old boring warm white lights? And I know some of you love these warm white lights, but did you know we have a smart light? Yes, that is correct. We have a smart light out now that now you can put these up in October, and now you can have Halloween lights. So we all buy an app. It's really simple. You can see that yes, we can even change it. And yes, these are actually a little bit brighter. And yes, I have a clip, but basically I can come here into an app or my customer and bam, now I have Halloween lights. I can have different color Halloween lights. I can do all different kinds of things with Halloween lights, with Christmas lights, and now I can put them up in October, and these people can use their lights on their house all year long with these smart lights, versus in the past that we put up these warm lights because we got to get them up in October and they look boring and blah. And now we can have smart lights. And this is how easy it is that we can put these up. And so we can take these down, we'll pull these off, and we'll put up the smart light, right? So one is it's super simple. You can actually clip these on as we go. We have a clip right here. They just pop right in, right? They pop in, we slide it under the shingle there, and voila, look at this. Look how easy this is to put up smart lights right here. If I put them on the right way, I can put up smart lights, no problem. Super simple, super easy, and doesn't take no time. You could do this on the ground if you wanted to, but you could literally just do this if you wanted to up on the roof. Have you a little pouch there, and we can sit here and walk our way around here. And for you peak bulbers, we'll put it right at the peak. But again, you can see how easy this is to put the lights on a house, and we can do this very simple and very quickly, right? And we can not only do it there, we can also put them on gutters, because we got to put them on gutters if we want to put them on gutters also. So we got a clip for that. Voila. You just stick it in there, pop it on, and look at that. Would you look at that? I mean, come on now. How awesome is that? That is freaking awesome. Super simple. You can see how easy I'm able to put them up there. This way, if you don't want them up all year long, we can take them down. Super easy, super awesome. Here's the awesome thing about this too, is hey, maybe this is another offer that maybe the Christmas lights is at one price, we offer this at another price, but this way we could put these up in July, have 4th of July, we could have them up for Labor Day, or we could just put them up in Labor Day. We could start up in September, put them up in Labor Day. We could turn these to pink for breast cancer. We could do all kinds of awesome things with these lights that we are able to do with these smart lights. Again, the kits come with extension cords. If you, my Washington guys, or my people where you're not allowed to cut cords, everything is a plug and play deal. There is no, you don't have to worry about cutting anything, especially like I said for my Washington guys. And so this is how simple this is to be able to do smart lights for your business. And that's what I wanted to just hit on this. Again, it is super, super simple. Seeing how easy it is, we can hide this wire up behind gutters just like we do. We have the box here. We'll have 4 channels. Depending on what box you get, may either have 3 or 4 channels. And so we can run one line going up that way, one line going this way. And this is a way that you're able to put up these lights. It's all app controlled, super simple on the app. The app that's the one thing I love about this app, is it is simple. You can sit there and turn it right to Christmas, and voila, you don't have to worry about it being technical and the app going down. This app by far is the easiest app that you can control. They got different ones. You can do accent lighting. We can turn on different things, start all different kinds of ways by using this super easy app. That's what I love about this system more than anything, is the app is super simple, because I know some of these apps are not super simple. And so this is a way that you can change the colors. You can do this if you want to change it to princess, for my princess people out there, you know, some princess colors and all different kinds of things of colors, thousands of colors that you can use all through the app. Super simple. It's the app that I have found to install these lights. And so with that, again, if you want to know anything more about these smart lights, you can go to christmaslights.io/smart, and that will take you to the smart lights for these here for this season. These lights do ship out of Utah, so most places we can get to you in 2 days. It might be 3 for some, but again, this is what you can do for your customer. We can charge $12, $15 a foot for this every year, and that's the amazing thing about these lights, because again, we're going to keep them our lights, and our lights, we will bring them as a service. So I don't care if I use them on your house or somebody else's house. They come down super simple. You can see that we can just pull them down. They'll come right on down. So it doesn't take really hard. They're very good. You can see again, even in the shingles, they pull right down. And that's what's cool about this here is that you can take them down at the end of the season, so they don't have to have them up all year long. Again, if you want more information, if you got any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. You can email me at jason@christmaslights.io. Or if you want to text me, you can text me at, I'm getting the number to make sure I got the right number for y'all, 855-619-5483. That last one is light, L-I-T-E. But if you need any lights, don't hesitate to reach out, and I love to help you in any way I can. And with that, I'll see you in my next video. Go be great.